Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover for the Valentine's Day. For that, a quick brief. We need 3 strips, 2 blue and 1 pink for the one side of the heart shape, 297 mm. The yellow that you can see the design we put outside the heart. Yellow strip of 75 mm. We required some like 15 strips, and the pink one that you can see the tree branch shape, we need 75 mm pink, and the petal from the bottom of the heart and on the tree branch you can see we need 75 mm white strip. The yellow strip it's 40 mm we are using in the bottom here and the middle of the heart up. So let's get started friends to make the stuff that we required in a quick way. We have to take 3 of them. And bend from the middle side. Use the tweezer, cooling tool, glue and round circle dia. We have some. We have to make the round until the end, and then we will cut with the we took the round at the end. The extra strips we have.